Yung ABS-CBN. So eventually, sinara siya ni Duterte. How did you feel about that?
Parang I had an understanding deep inside me na parang, alam ko it was headed that way na rin eh. Kasi digital.
Bakit?
Because, I mean, oo, they could still operate but not as it was before because of digital as well. During the time of Pinoy, kailangan na nila mag-renew ng franchise. They didn't pursue it. Kasi sabi ni Gabby, it's too costly and untenable kasi ito ang ilalabas natin.
Yes.
Tapos digital is eating us up. They were like earning 100 million a day. Tapos TV Patrol was earning so much. Tapos biglang nagdidwindle, kinakain na ng digital. And yung digital, hindi naman ganun yung return sa broadcast. Alam ko because I had to run the business of digital for ABS-CBN. Kahit lumaki ang digital natin, never natin makukuha yung compensation from what it used to be. From 100 million to 1 million a day. Ganong kalayo, Luchi. And I knew it was going to go there. Yung TV, talagang pabagsak na.
On its way out.
Yes.
On its
So,
way
sabi
out.
ko, mahirap to rely on it
Yeah.
na for your livelihood. So, I knew